Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super nice portable walking pad. This big boy right here, or little boy actually, would be the perfect companion for your working from home routine. If you want to do your cardio while working, if you want to hit your cardio every morning while watching your favorite TV show, like I have my TV right here, hook it up with a virtual run. So that's my favorite thing to do, hook it up with a virtual run and just kind of like walk with them along the lake, the mountain, the snow, the woods, and things like that. That's a really good idea. I like doing that. This one comes with a display right here that you will be able to see the speed, the miles per hour, the time, and things like that. It also comes with, it's right here, a remote controller, which I think it's super convenient to have. And the good thing about this one is that it's kind of like compact, so you can actually put it like underneath the sofa, underneath the bed, underneath your working desk, or things like that. If you have one of those like electric standing desks, this would be so perfect to have, because this one supports up to 265 pounds. And speed-wise, it's I want to say like it's like a strict walking pad, like a fast-paced walking pad, because this one goes up to 3.5, or no, actually 3.8 miles per hour. It's super easy to use. Actually, let me show you, because this thing is really easy to use. Let me actually get the camera up. Of course, as you saw before, it comes with wheels, so that's super easy for transportation. I just hit play right here and kind of like starts in a slow pace walking speed, which is 0.6. I have my virtual run right here, and then I kind of like go up. This is 1.6, 2, 2.6, 3, and max speed 3.8, which is really nice for a fast-paced walking cardio. It's not that you need to be running or something like that, and you can see they manage my weight perfectly, and there are no bouncing, no hiccups or things like that. So it's super easy to use in terms like that. Really cool. I'm just like walking here. I'm not gonna let me see if I can actually show it to you. So super easy to use, and a really good idea just to set it up with a nice landscape, like you're walking with them along the lake, the mountains, the snow, the woods, the beach, and things like that. I like it. That's my morning thing. That's my morning cardio. You can walk super fast, and then you can use it while working if you have one of those like super big desks. And that's it. Pretty easy to use. And when you hit stop, just like this, it kind of like slowly goes down, so I can pick up my pace. I can recover, and once it's done, just like that, you're ready to go. This is perfect. And then with the wheels, you can push it back to the storage position. I like it. I do recommend it. It's super easy to use, for sure, super convenient to have as well. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.